Now record yourself stretching out your hand as if you want to grab something. Then let's go to Capcut.
Alright, so I am now on Capcut. So I'll click on new project and import the video I recorded. And the image, the building image I want to use. You get my point? Alright, so I just brought in the video I recorded. The video of my hand. You get my point? And the image. Now look at the building, the image I want to use for this particular tutorial. So what I'm going to do right here is I will come here, then I will go to remove BG. So look at remove BG right here. Then I'll use custom remover. You get my point? So at this point, I'll just brush. Using custom removal makes it easy and you use quick brush. You get my point? So you just roll. You don't even need to roll everywhere. When you roll a little, you can just leave it. It will be applied all over. So at this point, there is this particular part I don't want. So what I will do right here is I will click on erase. I'll click on erase right here. Now tap on erase. Then I'll reduce this brush size a little, maybe somewhere, leave it at 1. Then I will just use it now to erase this part because I don't want this part to be included. I try to make it on a straight line. You get my point? So when you are done with that, you are going to have something like this. So when you click on this OK button, you're going to see something like this. I think it's somehow fine. Now let me do another one. So I'll just click on this erase. So let me go towards the bottom here. And the good part of it is when you are trying to work on this using the erase, it will zoom it for you to see, no matter the size. So I just want to have the base. So look at it here. I think that is fine. So when you are done with that, the next thing for you to do is to come here. Now this other hand, this part where your hand is widely open as if it wants to grab something. You get my point? This is what you need to do. You have to tap on it, then go and look for freeze. Where is freeze? Now you click on freeze. Now this part here is frozen. So you get my point right now. So next thing you are going to do right here is to tap on the frozen layer. Go and look for overlay. You overlay it. Get my point. Now move this frozen layer to this part here. So now you will tap on the frozen layer and go to remove BG. Now click on custom removal again. So at this point you use still on quick brush. Then you just roll it. Or you can use a normal brush. But this one is better because once you roll a little, it will be applied all over the point you want it to apply. You get my point? So look at it right here. Now it's applied completely. I'll click on OK. Now I have my hand on the image. So what I will do here is for me to just drag it somewhere here. And as it is, I can just tap on the building layer to expand it, make it big a little. Can make it big somewhere like this, or no. Okay. Try to position it so it will be as if my hand is holding the building. You get my point? So when that is done, the next thing for you to do, you can just come here and delete these ones. Delete these ones. Delete this one. Now come here and drag this one to that. And drag it right there. You get my point? I believe you are getting it. So let me just adjust this one towards this side so that I think it's still better that way. Now when you are done with this, so what you are going to do when you are able to set everything is for you to export this video to your gallery. You get my point? So now we've exported this one to gallery.
Alright, so as you can see, I just clicked on new project and brought in the background I want to use, the video background I want to use. Now look at it here. And the image, understand? The building image, we remove the background. And now the original image. You get my point? So when you have all of them right here, what you are going to do next is, let's come back to the beginning right here. Now look at it here. So I will tap on this particular one here. I'll go and look for overlay. So I'll click on overlay. From there, I will bring it down here, somewhere here. I'll bring it somewhere here. Yes. So now what is going to happen is, on this second layer, I'll tap on it, then go and look for remove BG. Now when I click on remove BG, I'll click on custom removal. So at this point, it's on quick brush again. So you have to brush the building and brush the hand. Like I said before, you don't need to brush everything. You get my point? Because this one is auto brush, quick brush. When you just touch a little, it will brush everything, like every part of it, just like what you see right now on your screen. So it's left for you to allow it to apply. Like now, as you can see right here, it's loading. So you give it a little time for it to load and it will be applied. Guys, please like and share this video. Make sure you comment. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. So we have it right here. So you click on this OK button and you're going to have something like this. You get my point? Then you can tap on it. Then go to, either you use basic, go to basic. Look at basic here. Either you use basic, you get my point? Now you add keyframe at the beginning, the way it is like this. Add keyframe right here. Then you use position, you move the video a bit. Now once you add keyframe, you move this from here. You get my point? So now I want it to come, let me just rotate it a bit. Let me just go to rotate and rotate it a bit. So I want it to come somewhere like this. Maybe like this, to come like this. Then I will move the video a bit. Then I'm gonna bring it, I'm gonna just drag it, go to position, then drag it to come to where I want it to be. It's somewhere here. Then I will rotate it. As I'm doing it, I am positioning it. Once you touch or move this object, another keyframe will be added automatically. So I will just click on this rotate and then try to position it. Then I'll still go back to position, try to shift it again somewhere here so that I'll be able to have it where I want it to be. Now still click on rotate, then try to set it, come to position. So this is how you are going to do it. You just follow it step by step and you are going to get it. You get my point? So this is okay like this. So when you move this video, you see something like this. Now you don't have to worry. You tap on this other one, go and look for overlay. Click on overlay, bring it down. So now this one, we just adjust it to somewhere here. So it will be something like, you see, it just So from here, you bring this building. You can now bring this building. Now tap on this, place 2 fingers on your screen and make sure it's fit to screen. So when you post it, you're going to have something like, you can bring it down here. You're going to have something like this. From here, you can now export your video to your gallery. You get my point?